This is behind. More water coming out. So we had to build the wall a little bit higher because of the waves. And I'm actually walking on an edge. And if I go a little bit deeper, it's too deep. Yeah. So this was my buddy for the last 2 days. We were working together. We used anything we could to reinforce the walls. If you can see, the water went a little bit down based on the tree level. Here's a surfboard to hold the wall. And here's more sand coming. The bottom of the wall needed some reinforcement. And then once the sand comes in, we'll transfer it here and then go around the house.